Hey, it's Ephruz here at CES 2018. I am at the Cherry Suite, and today we're going to be looking at something additional to what I saw on the floor. We are going to be looking at the Cherry MX low profile switch. Now, this switch has been in top secret development with Cherry for quite a while. First things first, the stem is compatible with other Cherry MX switches, so your keycaps are going to be compatible, with the exception of the fact that there is a 3mm actuation distance. What this means is that your taller keycaps are likely going to be hitting the frame of the keyboard before they actually actuate. So because of that, they've already had several partners make lower profile keycaps for these switches. The stem is very familiar looking to the traditional Cherry MX red switch, but most importantly, something I want to bring up that I really liked when I tested them out myself is that these switches have no wobble, like very close to, if not no wobble. Even Kale box switches do not even come close to how little wobble these have. Now, they're going to have RGB versions of the switch, obviously, and here it is being showcased on a keyboard with translucent keycaps and then with backlit keycaps. Now, Cherry has also already had several manufacturers developing boards with these switches for them, so that's good news. That means that we're definitely going to be seeing these switches in keyboards as soon as the switch is made available to the manufacturers. Though, out of all of the keyboards that I'm looking at, this one intrigues me the most. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.